Hey, what's up, guys? How are we doing? Hope you guys are having a fun, tricky Thursday. That's what I would call today so far. It's a tricky Thursday. All right, so I'm in SELX and I'm in GV right now. Looking to take a little bit of profit here at some point. Again, this one here, this one I was waiting for this double bottom to pan out here. I thought I caught it at the bottom, and then I kind of fell asleep there for a second. Stuck in hotels and meetings, have to do work thing. Oh no, don't do that. I'm kidding, do that. Do that. All right, well, we are on TikTok and YouTube at the moment. So remember, I am not a financial advisor. I don't talk crypto. I don't talk copy trading. I don't talk any of that bullshit. Um, just talk stocks and having a good time. Uh, there it is. Fake me out again. Looking at that. Look at that's a beautiful cup and handle right there. Or even an inverted head and shoulder pattern, possibly, but yeah, it's not working out yet. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Don't forget to hit the like, the follow, and the share. Remember, for me to go on tomorrow, to go on live, we need 7,000 likes by 5 a.m. So that's what we're looking for. All right, stock doesn't show. Thanks, man. I keep forgetting to do that. I don't know why it does that every time. It's not like my main screen switching. It's like it's my main screen. That's annoying. All good now, right? Good morning. Good morning. Come on, you dirty dog. Look at this beautiful double bottom here. And yet, couldn't do it. Or was this a cup and handle and it didn't do it? Or is this an inverted head and shoulders pattern and it didn't do it? Tricky Thursday. Tricky Thursday. What about Elab? What's your question? Elab has been a giver for the past few days. Um, nice little move yesterday, and that was perfect because that was one on my watch list, and two, I gave another alert afterwards. Um, let's see, it's 12:20 my time. So just as the market was about to close, about 40 minutes before, I alerted entry 1120, 1160, and then my top target was 17, but TP2 was 1450. So that was pretty fucking awesome. Yes, markets are closed tomorrow. So bubblehead, what do you want to know about Elab? All right, well, see, look at this. This thing's just toying with my emotions. I'm in at 61.61. It hit 62 just right there, and then right back down. That volume weighted average price is just an area where the algorithms like to push shit down. So it's pushing shit down. Check Elab now. Okay. Yeah. So typically what happens when a stock freaking runs the way it's been running. And then this yesterday was just freaking insane. But yeah, this is look, it's been freaking bouncing off the 200 EMA for a while, and yeah, it just broke down pretty badly. So that is a full-on breakdown, miscommunication, if you will, between the stock and the stock gods. So now what I would expect is it to bump its head on the red line, 692 ish. That's what I would expect. Yo, good morning, Gonzo. TPET says Debbie. What's up, Debbie? I haven't heard. Or yeah, yep. TPET. Yeah, same with I mean, when you're talking about oil, TPET. So let's see, oil. What is oil at? Okay, Brent went down a little bit. It's at 109. Man, I am stuffy as hell. I don't know if it's because I get all anxious or something when I go on the lives or what. I don't know. I don't know. It's windy as hell, but I wasn't stuffy before I came on. Ah, man. TPET. Yeah. So TPET, we've known this one for a while. We've played this one multiple times. It's currently at resistance. Obviously, anything around $1, you're gonna run into that psychological area resistance. This is not the target right now. Not one bit, not at all. Man, this thing just does not want to do it. Just does not want to do it. Yeah, so you're looking for a break of $1. I would say your target's probably going to be somewhere around 120. That's where I'd say this should go, probably about 120. Let's go 121. 121. Let me fix my camera here a little bit. Hang on. There we go. That's a little better. All right. Well, this thing's gonna keep trying to fake me out. I'm gonna try to hold on maybe until if it breaks 53 cents, I'll probably just probably say screw it, I'm out. And look at Battle. Battle's another one. Same thing. Oil related. Ooh. Turb's looking kind of nasty if you're playing Turb. If it can't hold on, TURB, if it can't hold on to about 340, I'd I'd say it's probably done. TMDE just hit 207, so that's nice. TMDE Energy Company, nice uptrend. Low float, 3.36 million. All right, look at that. Cree already blocking people. Good morning. Yeah, so TMDE, low float, it's high volume, average volume 7 million. It's already at 42. So That's pretty big. Other than that, I'm not seeing a whole lot. EONR. Yeah, EONR is pushing that dollar right now. It's like a big double bottom. Here's your EONR. These were targets, previous targets were up there. These were like the okay, hey, guess what? I think it's probably gonna bounce off of that. There's your levels. So you got 118 is a solid area that it likes to bump its head on, as you can see, between 118 and 125. Sky Q, what's Sky Q doing? Sky Q, here we go. All right, so previous gaps. So those don't really, I mean, those don't really matter much right now. Good morning, Cree. Good morning, everybody. Yes. All right, so let's take a look here. This is a 30-minute chart. So this is now going to turn a different color here. We'll go that 340. I'd say probably about 337, to be honest. 337. That's close enough. And then this one here, yeah, I'd probably put that somewhere around 382. It's your second one there on Sky Q. Sky Q 3.01 million. That's the float. Volume so far is 4.4 million, and your average is 866,000. That's nothing. So the fact it's got some volume, that's good. Tricky little guy, isn't it? And a little tricky guy. Come on. Push through that 317. Get that 337. 337. Come on. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh boy. Yeah, so yesterday I did a freaking what's it called? I basically oh yeah, there's Sky Q. Come on, baby. Come on. There's 332. Come on. There's 335. Two more. One more. 336. There's 337. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that top wick. Oh man, there you go. So Sky Q 340. 342. Let's see, is it gonna get that 382 real quick, or is it just gonna kind of stop right there for a minute? Looks like it's gonna stop right there for a minute. That was a good push. That was a good push. That was a quick little call out there. Get rid of this now. This is old. Get rid of these. These are all old. Yeah, so I was fasting pretty much all day yesterday, drinking water and apple cider vinegar, a little bit of cinnamon. Come on, baby, keep on going. There, always boom, 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 boom. There you go. So there's 361, just like that. Come on, get up there. 363. Remember, guys, don't forget to take profits on the way up. You don't want to be that guy that freaking coulda, shoulda, woulda, didn't take profits. Look, there's a gap right here. That's a 1 minute gap. You don't want to be that guy. You do not want to be the guy that says, hey, I could have taken profits, but I didn't. You know, I got wrecked because I didn't. All right, there's your next target after that one, because it's looking pretty good. It's looking like it keeps pushing. All right. Here's 370. We're almost there. Little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much fasted all day yesterday. I didn't eat till about 7. And when I did eat, all it was a salad with hot sauce as my dressing. Cheese is my protein. Yeah. No alcohol, none yesterday. We're gonna quit that shit for a little while. So no apple juice. So we'll see. We'll see how all that goes. I did my sleep test yesterday. That was pretty cool. All I had to do is wear a ring. Eat meat at 5, start fast again. Remember, kids, if they had a profitable strategy, they'd be selling to funds, not TikTok. I'm sorry, Swift Eye. What are you saying? What are you talking about there? Swift Eye? Well, Swift Eye, why are you here? Why are you here? Just out of curiosity. Hey, look at that. There's the target. 82 cents. Boom, 382. It hit 383. There we go. Look at that. Bye-bye, Swift Eye. Fred Flintstone. Oh, man. And there you go. Peace out. What happened here? What had happened here? Look at that. Oh, man. All right. Well, I'm going to keep looking. I'm going to keep looking for something else to pop up. He broke his final words. I found an ace that I could keep. You got know when to fall, know when to walk away. I mean, I don't know what Swift Eye there was trying to do, but obviously, ain't too bright. Ain't too bright. Like we don't all know. We already know. Hey, there goes Sky Q. Let's go, baby. Come on, keep on going. Come on, baby. 391. Wasn't gonna happen. Wasn't going to happen here. Oh boy. All right, I gotta prepare myself here. Looks like I'm gonna have to sell it at that 53 cents. This thing doesn't look like it has any breaks. So it's just exit liquidity right now. There it is. Yep. All right. Yep. She completely breaking down. I'm done. I'll take my loss. No big deal. There's $4 on Sky Q. Celex can go, hang out somewhere. Oops, I didn't mean to click that one. Let's look at some other stuff here. Oh man, TPET. It's a good song. Did not want to look at that stupid thing anymore. TURB heading down at the point of no return right now. It's coming down just like this, just like that. There's 410. Come on, you got a little more. Am I still on a 30-minute there? Damn it. There she goes. There's 422, 423. Well, let's see. Let's put another target on her. Sheesh. She's just wanting to go. Go, go, go. Go, go, Gadget Sky Q. Go, go, Gadget Sky Q. So there's 439 alerted back under here. So that's pretty good. It's a pretty good little run. Looks like energy stocks today. Yes, it does. Yeah, I guess thanks for reminding me. I guess I am. Down 728. Yep. No, I'm not in Sky Q. No, I'm not. Nope, just called it out. I was in two. I was in SELX and I was in GV, so I figured I wasn't gonna jump into anything else. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Remember, keep your losses manageable. Keep them small, and you could always come back. There's always a comeback. You just got to know when you're wrong fast. And on both of these, I could have been small profit. I could have made some small profit on SELX and GV. But yeah, they're just not working out right now. Tom Jeff, yes. TPT, Battle, yes. Come on, baby. So if TMD breaks down, I'd say if it breaks 150, then it's going to come back down. It had a nice run so far. I think it's going to continue moving up. Come on, GV. Let's go. Come back for me. Yeah, see, I'm glad I got out of SELX. It just hit 51 cents. So, you know. Yeah, I'd say if TMD drops below 150, she's going to reverse pretty hard. Maybe market open comes, maybe it'll reverse, but currently not looking so fantastic. Same with Turb, TURB. It's at its last, it's literally on its last leg right now, TURB. That if that breaks down, she's screwed. Wow, look at that. How about Anna? How about Anna Banana? Let's see. Anna Banana. Anna Banana. Thank you, Cree. Thanks for sharing the live. Thank you very much. Man, how about that GSAT, huh? Yesterday? Woo. Thing was a rocket. 68 to 88. Went up 20 bucks in after hours. Yep. So you got SkyQ, you've got Battle, you've got TURB, and you have TMDE. That's what you got. Good morning. What's up? Never mind. Good morning. It's like a Friday today. It is. It's definitely like a Friday today. Yep. Except the bad part is we're going in a 3-day weekend. That's the bad part. Well, a regular weekend, I mean, that's just bad, but a 3-day weekend's even worse. Most momentum goes away. You've got a lot more what's it called? You lose that momentum that you have with the weekend. Oh man. Surprising I haven't seen Mitchell in here. Where the hell's Mitchell? Where's the Crusher? I think he's cheating on us. I think he's cheating on us. I'm gonna write that in the in the Discord. Ah, look at GV. Yo, you cheating on me? Where you at, Crusher? All right. Yep. I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm out. Fuck that. She's done too. Just like that. 2 stocks. I'm down 30 bucks. Well, 27. Whatever. Whatever. Shit is what it is. Still got a lot of pennies to play with. So I'm not yeah, this little shit this little stuff doesn't bother me very much. And that's why you play small positions, because I mean 37 bucks is nothing. Keep your positions small. You don't freak out. You don't stress out. Like I forget about most of my positions. Look at that. I'm so glad I sold SELX. Look at this. 47.50. I knew once it breaks that 53 cents, she gone. She gone. She gone. Did we hit the next target yet? Oh, look at that. We did. We hit the yellow. We hit the yellow line. It hit 490. Look at that. Hell yeah. 495. Nice little pattern. Looks like it's doing a little rising wedge right here. That's a little rising wedge right there. She's so cute and pretty. Look at it. And there's a little rising wedge there on a 1 minute. Yep, GV's dumping too, huh? Yep. Yep. Once your level breaks, whatever level it is that you set up in your head, that you say, okay, I'm done there, just be done there. That'll save you money in the long run. That'll help you to salvage if you're having a bad month. That's going to help to salvage your month so you don't wreck your account. Man, 505 on Sky Q. What is it trying to do? That is insane. It's insane that it wanted to run that far. Oh yeah, I mean 595, that's the peak there, so it hit 505. Once it gets to 595, man, you got blue skies. You got some blue skies. You know what? Fuck this. Let's go here. Let's go here. Let's just do this. Usually I'd go somewhere closer to that, but the peak of the peak is right there. So 595. So we'll say about 577. And I don't know what fucking color to put up there. Let's do green. Let's make it a green light. Let's do a nice big thick line there. Just to kind of let us know that we're around that area where it's. Yes, Sky did do a reverse split. I'm gonna love you forever. Yeah, that's what we've been watching is we've been watching these reverse splits happen and then post reverse split, boom, stocks move. Now let's find something else that's moving. That'd be great. 437. So that's where I was going to put it before, you know. That's where I was going to put it. Let's see if it go ahead and give us some green lights here. Let's see if that green light hits. The volume's doing pretty good. Oh, man, Anna's kind of frozen, not doing much. Nice cup, nice little handle, and then it froze. It definitely needs more volume there. Here we go. Let's see, Sky Q, you gonna do it? Hey, thank you, Debbie, for sharing the live. Appreciate you. Yo. What's up, a ad dude? Man, I completely missed. There was no one in there. There was no one in the YouTube, so okay, restricted again. Results, recommendation, restricted in search results because it's primary direct off people. Okay. I'm gonna appeal it again. I won the appeal last time. This is the irritating part. Oh man. Oh God. My live does not contain that. That's all I put. It takes them about 2 days for the appeal to go through. Look at that. So 577, it hit 576. Remember, clear skies after 595. Clear skies after 595. Did you? So remember, if you haven't taken any profit on the way up yet, there's something wrong with you. There's a little greedy. There's a little thing called greed. You shouldn't be greedy. Take some profits. And sorry, ad dude. Again, I didn't see anybody on there uh all morning, and then finally a couple of people showed up here. So Um, did you watch NASA launch yesterday? I did, David. I did. It was pretty cool. Am I holding? I'm not in it. I hit 505. Yes, it did. What date do you see? 595. 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart. Go as far back as it'll allow you to go. 595. There's 602. There we go. We got clear skies now. Let's see how far it can go. Let's see. That was on the 11th that it hit 595, David. Ad, dude. I'm not ignoring you. I literally just started talking to you because there was no one in there. So that's, on TikTok now. Oh boy, that's funny. Yeah, I wasn't ignoring you. There was no one in that room. No one was there. So, it's like I wasn't looking at the comments and then I noticed you were there and then I started talking to you. 641. It's pretty good. That's a pretty good run. That is a pretty good run. It's funny. So I'm looking at how many times my appeal was approved if for the same stupid thing that I don't do. It's the same stupid thing. It drives me nuts. And this is why I think TikTok's losing a lot of creators because their AI is just ridiculous. I appealed that restriction from what I want to say like I think that was the 30th, the 31st it got approved. Like so like their process needs to be better. They say that I'm directing people to a different platform. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna keep looking for stuff here. Man, thank God I got out of GV. GV broke down. SELX broke down freaking a whole 10 cents lower than where I got out. Man, I'm telling you, it's tricky Thursday. Tricky Thursday. SkyQ. What a beast. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's about where I wanted to say, okay, hey, you know what? We'll just say right there. Um, Anything past this, I think, yes, we have clear skies, but how much are people willing to pay for this? You know? I mean, how high can it get? It is a low float. It's already done 42 million. The way you can look at this now is basically, half dollars and dollars. It's the same thing. Now that it's over $5, it's over six. Well, now it's 585. So over $5. Um, I mean, what I would anticipate on something like this is it moves maybe another dollar, or it just fizzes out right here. Market opens is really where we'll find out what happened. All right, Anna's trying to get back up again here. Ah, never mind. Elab, yeah, Elab's just it got wrecked. But I mean it did just run at 1490, so you got a double top here on SkyQ. That's your double top there. So after such a run, it needs to cool off, right? What's it been using? The little green line. So if it breaks the green line, then she's gonna come back down possibly at $5. So you're looking for that hold above this green line here, which is the 9-day EMA. All right, sweet. No live Monday. That's awesome. We're at 1,500 likes. The goal is 7,000 likes. So looks like I don't have to do a live on Monday. That's cool. I'll do it on the Discord. Uh, Debbie, you're like, I'm tapping. I get it. I get it. It's just TikTok BS. I get it. See, TikTok BS. That's what happened. I mean, that's really what happened. Yep. They like to cock block. All right, so let's see. So it broke the green line. Let's see if it's going to get down to that $5. Let's see. What do we got? Is this a hammer candle? Is it trying to do a hammer? Is it hammer time? Look at that. Look at that. You guys, we're already at 2,000 likes. Already at 2,000 likes. Is this a hammer candle? Is this a reversal? Doesn't look like it with the volume. Good song. Good song. There she goes. Look at that. You guys are 4,000 likes away. Okay, never mind. I guess I'm going to have to do a live on Monday. Oh my God. Thanks for sharing, Gonzo. Appreciate it. Debbie, everybody, thanks for tapping. All right, let's see. Come on. What are you going to do? You going to throw a hammer right here and give a confirmation candle? Cool off period. That's a nice hammer. I mean, I guess if you want to call that support, sure, that'll work, but you need a nice confirmation candle here. All right. She's trying. She's trying. Tap it, tap it, tap it. SkyQ has an offering. Yesterday, take me home. Come on, there gotta be something else. All right, let's take a look at BR, where to go? BRN. Let's take a look at BRN. You got your volume picking up. Your average is 302. It's already at 230. Now, the float's only 6.32 million. Okay. Look at that. It's hit 131 before a bunch of times, got stuck there. Didn't quite make it to 40. All right. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. See, that was a little fake out. See, that's why you wait for that confirmation candle. Yep. You guys have seen me do it. You guys have seen me fuck around and find out, right? There's no confirmation candle. That is not a reversal, even though you got this beautiful hammer here. Like I said, looks like it wants to come down. All right, hang on. What was I doing? BRN 353,000 so far. I'd say 37 first target there on this little guy. I know it's not far away, but it doesn't seem to move very much. So there's your first target on BRN. Next target after that. Right there. Look at that. 5,100 likes. Look at you guys. And you still have plenty of time to get the rest. Plenty of time. So we'll see if it can move a little bit here. I don't see any news here. Let's see. Oh, come on. On my mama says SkyQ has an offering. I have a 424B5. And then Andy says, when's the news offering? Let me go back in here. What was BRN? All right, so BRN's got no news right now. Nothing that's out there. So that little 12% move from yesterday to where I hit today, it's just nothing really right now. We could be preparing for news, you know. All right, look at SkyQ trying to turn around. SkyQ trying to turn around. Or is it just trying to make you think that it's found a bottom? I see a Andy. So on my mom put 424B5 on SkyQ. I see a 424B3 on SkyQ 6 months ago. That's what I see. I don't see a 424B5. See a 424B3. There we go. We got 31. Let's see. Is she going to go even more? Come on. She's very fickle. This one over here. This one over here is very fickle. There's 34. There's 36. 1 penny. Let's go 1 penny. Let's go 1 penny. Hey, look at that. My appeal was approved. That was quick. Look at that. My appeal was approved. So annoying that I even have to mess with that. So annoying. Come on, let's go, BRN. There you go. Let's just play around here. Target acquired, ladies and gents. Target acquired. WNW has a 1 for 100 split. Wow. Lucky. Come on, baby. Let's go for a little continuation here. All right. We are 7 minutes away from going over to the Discord. As I said before, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on TikTok and YouTube, 5 a.m. on Discord to about 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right, and I will tell you guys have seen me. I can take profit. I could take profit. I was up $6, whatever. It's not anything huge, but people don't lose because they make the wrong decision on getting in. People lose because they overstay their welcome. That's really what it is. You overstay, you're risking. Same thing with the casinos. Look at that. What did I tell you about SkyQ? Where did I say it was going? Look at that, $5. You can't see because I've still got this up, but there you go. SkyQ just hit $5. All right. So take profits on the way up. I'm playing it a little different. Usually I want to take about half my position out, take profit 1, and take another 30% on the next take profit, and then leave 20% just to kind of ride. So that's usually how I like to do it if I'm not sitting here trying to find stuff that is actually moving and, answering questions as much as I can. Saw something else here. Where'd it go? All right, yeah, that's my BRN. My BRN. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Let's get that 57. Or you know what? I can just take my $10, right? Because I don't have to wait for this target to hit. I can just drop it. But I do think it's gonna get there, so I'm letting it ride. Or you know what? I should be smart and I should do what I said. I should take half off, right? Should take off somewhere in there, whatever. It'll just sell me. There you go. We just sold half at 50. That took some profit. There you go. Take my half. That's right. Right. So we gotta take our profits, right? Gotta take them. All right. So there's that one. There's 57. Where do I think it's gonna go after 57? There's 55. Oh, I love it. I love it when a plan comes together. It works out. Hopefully you guys kind of saw what I saw and decided to play with it. I'm gonna say 82. 77. I'm gonna say 77. And that's probably where I'll end up putting my my sell there. So there's your third target. I'll just go ahead and create, and we'll just sell the other half there. Fuck it. 177. There you go. Oh, it dropped down to 135. Look at that. See, I'm so glad I took some profit, right? Just like that. Whilst I was looking around for another spot here, it decided to rip down 1.5 million shares there. Could be algorithmic right there. That could be algos. You got you guys hit 7,000 likes. Look at you guys go. Look at you go. All right, so we got 3 minutes left. Remember, guys, take your profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. Because then you'll be chasing down when the stock keeps dropping down. You'll be like, okay, I want to sell here. Oh man, just skip me. I want to sell here. Oh man, just and then you start getting excited and scared, and emotions are bad. They're bad. I remember this move is something going on in the background because, well, we don't know. We don't know what's going on. And this right here tells me, you know what? Nope, I'm out. That's a double top there. And see, watch. This is what chasing the waterfall looks like if it doesn't sell me out right here. Is it gonna do it? Are we gonna get? Okay, it sold me out. All right, so we still made profit. Gave a little bit back, but still made profit. Double tops are scary because usually they'll just come right back down. There's no news on this thing except for 6.28 million shares traded for today. So we just rolled the float. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this, then check it out every morning, Monday through Friday, except for tomorrow, because well, tomorrow's off. Look at that. See, this is what I saw here on this one. I see a double top. This is your little double top here. If you just scrunch them down, you can see it a little better. There's your double top there, and then it just continued to do the stair steps down. And over here, you got basically double top, same thing. Pumped, couldn't do it. Tried, couldn't do it. Broke down. Right back down to the blue line. You see the blue line there? That little blue line's the 20 EMA. That's what he uses as support right here. We'll see if it does it here or if it's just going to break down to the red line. More than likely down to the red line. That's my opinion. Remember, this isn't financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. No fucking crypto. All right, no bullshit, no copy trading. Yep, seems a bit fluffy though. Yeah, definitely fluffy. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna go over to the Discord now. If you guys want to join me, come on over, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for getting me up to 7,400 likes. Thank you for clicking. Wade Wilder, thank you for the hearts. Me appreciate you, and I will see you guys on the Discord. Peace. All right, YouTube, thanks for hanging out. I'm sorry I ignored you there, Andy. we'll uh, we'll see you later. Peace.